The COVID-19 pandemic has caused a lot of businesses in the U.S. to close, either for a period of time or forever. It's affected the world, not only the U.S., with many deaths and hospitals being overfilled, shortages on living essentials such as toilet paper, cleaning supplies, and the economy also has been affected as well, affecting our living situations and putting people in financial danger. Many of these smaller and local businesses have had to change their style of function from dining in and takeout only, and other strict guidelines as to how many people can be in the store or restaurant at a time. The housing market has been affected as the prices of houses has dramatically increased over the pandemic, and the campus has even changed to help students stay the healthiest they can with online classes and less people in the classroom at once. Looking at some COVID stats from ArcGIS, the pandemic has caused approximately 375,000 deaths in the United States during 2020. Since January 2021, there have been over 31 million cases of COVID in the U.S., and as of April 28, 2021, the all clear statistics include over 11,000 positive cases, over 51,000 negative cases, 107 deaths, 392 case hospitalizations, and 98 active cases. The more common guidelines we've all seen, according to the CDC, include wearing a mask of coverage for the mouth and nose, keeping a 6 feet distance between yourself and others you don't live with, getting vaccinated when it's best available to you, avoiding crowds and poorly ventilated indoor spaces, washing your hands as often as you can, and washing them in the correct way and for the correct amount of time, using hand sanitizer whenever you can't use soap and water, and disinfecting surfaces when possible. Our main tool in stopping this pandemic is, of course, vaccinations. The three main vaccinations being used in the U.S. are the Pfizer vaccine, Moderna vaccine, and Johnson & Johnson vaccine. And each of these has helped lower the personal risk and slow the spread of COVID-19. The Johnson & Johnson vaccine, however, has caused some unexpected reactions in individuals, so that has been put on hold and being looked at closely. According to the Eau Claire City County Health Department, the best prevention methods available are wearing face masks in stores, gyms, crowds, schools, work, etc., increasing the amount of cleaning and sanitation equipment citywide, and having numerous testing and vaccine facilities available to the public for easy access no matter where you're located in the city. The university has helped a ton with preventing the spread of COVID, from requiring masks everywhere on campus to having social distance rules in all the buildings and classrooms. With this, we've also had antigen testing every 2 weeks for off-campus students and weekly for on-campus students. Those who test positive on campus quarantine in a separate dorm with only those who are infected. The university has also created an app to help us track our temperature daily to see when one may have been exposed to COVID. And vaccines are also being provided at Zorn, not only for students, but for staff and anyone in the community that may need it to slow the spread. While there were plenty of prevention methods talked about earlier to avoid getting COVID, the main take-home message is to get the vaccine if you haven't yet, and to consider the benefits and what it can do for not only yourself, but for the people you love and the people you care for.